Introducing the White Canvas India Young CEOs Program. Season 6. India's first and largest future-ready and entrepreneurial skills program. Now running in 800+ campuses. Seeding life skills, entrepreneurial skills, marketing and social skills, preparing for life beyond the classroom, turning students into change makers. From rote learning to real-world application. Student as a creator, not just a consumer. Challenging them. Topper equals successful myth. Introducing Buddy to a founder concept.
I canvas India for organizing such kind of a seed on in the people for young CEO and entrepreneurship.
Product launch in record time. A program that believes in your idea before the world does. We launch technology and non-technology products. Exposure to latest indigenous technologies. Leading ecosystem collaborations. Largest pool of facilitators. WCI promotes thought leadership and fireside chats with leaders.
Any leader, anybody in a position of influence needs to know and needs to be able to understand the difference between knowledge, between wisdom and discernment.
Entrepreneurship is very important, be it teenage, be it adult person, because as India, the kind of population we have, we can't generate enough jobs unless we have a lot of businesses. So teenagers have to play important role, particularly if we want to become a developed economy by 2024.
As a participant of the White Canvas India Young CEO Program,
in the news, trusted by educators, celebrated by media.
For excellence in EdTech and skill development, and here's a look at the nominees.
Presenting the distinguished nominees for the coveted category, Excellence in EdTech and Skill Development. White Canvas India.
WCI appreciated by Government of India at Leaders of Tomorrow Awards.
winner for the Thinkers of Tomorrow in special category is White Canvas India.
WCI YCP product launch appreciated at the highest levels in India. WCI YCP product launch featured in the Better India.
We are very, very focused on programs such as this one, which I think teach children far more than a lot of their curricula.
It is important to start young, start early, and programs like these are really instrumental, and I feel is giving you that good kind of exposure and flavor of what it means to improvise and innovate in the real world.
Working with school children, and I believe that's the age to catch young. The younger you catch, the broader and better they are.
White Canvas is doing a wonderful job. What made us take the White Canvas Young CEO Entrepreneurship Program was the idea or the vision by the Prime Minister of India to have Viksit Bharat and Atmanirbhar.
भली भांति इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस समझता है और उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट देता है जितना एकेडमिक्स को दी जानी चाहिए.
And request to all the school owners and the school principals कि please join White Canvas India. It is really a wonderful program. अगर आप अपने स्कूलों को कुछ अलग extraordinary बनाना चाहते हैं, कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, किसी स्कूल के बच्चे अलग ही हैं.
One thing that generally the educators would want their learners to be when they're in the classrooms, engagement. And the kind of engagement that was visible in these 3 days was par excellence.
I think this would be the right program. I have enrolled him. I am looking forward to see him grow excellently well under the guidance of the seniors here. They're from the...
My message to all the parents will be, to really encourage your child and finding what is good for him and really make them participate in the programs like this.
Very interactive, so everyone gets a chance to speak. No matter if you're shy, you're put out of your comfort zone, and that is what I like best about this.
With the help of the White Canvas India and its Young CEO program, I got to know various things like how can we start the product, how to market it, how to target the audience, and all of this.
There are many new skills that we didn't even know we needed, and which will prove to be very helpful in our lives.
Scaling across 150 plus cities in India. White Canvas India Young CEOs program. Trusted by the leaders.